Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find liked posts on Instagram. So if I like this post and now go for in this profile icon, then go for three line option here. After that in this list you have to go for in this your activity, click on it and just go for like, and you can see all of your liked posts are here. You can just go for it and see it. So this is how you can find liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.